Good day, everyone. Today's Route 66 adventure finds us at Gearhead Curios in Galena, Kansas. More specifically, 520 South Main Street, Galena, Kansas. Now, this is really a neat place to see. It really captures the Route 66 experience. But rather than us talking about it like this, why don't we just go ahead and get started with the adventure?
This purple thing.
Wow, look at that.
Check this out. God damn, there's a big... I remember Sky Chief. I'm that old.
Hey Mike, I'll be right back. Keep looking, I'll be back. Wasn't me!
I have a photo op for you. Come here. Let's just go around here. I don't want to get your picture.
Oh no, thank you. Thanks for your...
Yeah, I have a guest book if you'd like to sign it in there.
Oh wow.
You guys wanted...
Big boy was in...
It's my Texaco big boy. If you guys want to bring your bikes in front of my American flag, it's 169 Kansas license plates makes up my American flag.
Oh cool, oh that is awesome.
And that concrete is... Well, you'd be the second set of bikes. The first two bikes were on it, I think, yesterday.
Oh.
Okay, yeah,
this is
yeah,
all
do that.
new?
Yeah, this was just poured. That's only a little over a week old.
Yeah, we'll pull them up here in a little while.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
And I'm from Southern California originally, and
Where
Bob's
at?
Big Boys. I was born on Edwards Air Force Base,
Okay.
and I grew up 7th grade on Edwards, and then we moved to California City. I graduated from Mojave High School, so I'm a desert rat.
I want to retire as a desert rat, actually. I was just in LA a couple months ago. I
Yep.
was down in the was it Long Beach? Is that where the Queen Mary is?
Yep, Long Beach.
Yeah, I was down there for 3 weeks.
You used to have this Bruce Goose down there years ago.
Really?
Yep.
And didn't have enough time to go into Queen Mary. Just walked around.
So is this your building then?
Yeah.
You own this now? This is cool.
And so I've always wanted a big boy. My wife didn't want one in the living room. She said that we couldn't justify it. So when you have a roadside attraction, I went from wanting the 4 foot tall big boy to the biggest big boy.
So the Big Boys restaurants, right?
Yeah.
They don't exist anymore. They're still in California.
Oh, I miss
There's
them.
some around. I think there's some Bob's Big Boys, and I've had some people tell me some other states are like Freck's Big Boys. There was a Tops Big
You know what?
Boys.
There's a Bob's Big Boy in Louisville.
Yeah?
For some reason. Or somewhere, Louisville or Tennessee.
I would love to go eat at a Big Boy. Just it's been so many years.
Yeah, I remember them when they were in Illinois.
So the burger's still underneath the tires.
I was gonna. Is it?
Yep, it's there. That's actually what's holding the
pretty
tires.
cool that you put the tires up there.
Those tires were on my '58 Ford the day I found this place for sale.
Oh man.
So they have a connection to the car I was driving when I found this, and what I found was a lot of imagination and opportunity.
Those.
So is this?
58. Those tires are from 1958.
No, they were on my '58.
Okay.
Man. So did you, when you bought this, was it like this, or you had to restore this completely?
We have done everything here.
Oh, it looks great. I mean,
I was wondering if that worked. I haven't done that since I was a kid.
This right here is what we started with. I pulled in to take this picture, and I turned around and saw the for sale sign.
That's your Ford?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what the outside looked like. Those trees are in the back. Those are cracks. This was the inside. Had natural lighting, natural ventilation.
Had some water damage.
That's-
for sure.
so this is an old dilapidated building.
Originally built in 1939. And through here, so the corner, I couldn't even access this corner. So that right there is the doorway that's here. When I had them put a whole new roof on, I had them go out in the back more. So that's going to be my restroom back there and my HVAC system unlike this.
Oh, so this is still a work in progress.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
if you have to use the restroom, you got to go to the park because I'm not quite done yet. I'm getting closer, but you'll have to come back when my restroom is done.
You just moved up 2 notches on my friend list because I'm a big Star Trek fan.
We cut this out the woods. It started out life as a 33 Chevy. I turned it in my fireplace.
This is
And then-
wow.
You notice when you walk in, you breathe better? It's because we have filtered air.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
You can literally see the air being filtered. That's why
It took me a minute to get there.
my wife came up with that. She's pretty proud. She goes, I made a joke, so I have to use it. That's my wife came up with that one. And then our lights are gas pump nozzles. When I'm done with my restroom, you guys all have to come back because I'm actually going to have T-shirts with the urinal. Because our urinal, I've got things to put over your shoes, make them steel toe. We're going to mount those to the floor. I'm going to stencil arrows so you know where to put your feet. You pee into a powder-coated funnel. The flush is a gas pedal that's shaped like a foot, and I'm going to link it up, and the water's going to come through an old oil can with a pour spout through an amber-colored hose, so it looks like oil pouring into the funnel. And then I was talking with a traveler, and we came up with the idea, and I'm going to do it. We'll have that on a T-shirt, so you'll have the whole urinal. It's going to say, "I hit the funnel at Gearhead Curios." So if you go pee, you can come out and buy the T-shirt. I went. You know?
Got a question. I had right here, I had a bicycle with a steering wheel on. Is that where that came from? A bicycle?
That one I got from Speedway. You know, think of the old gassers and stuff from the 60s.
Yeah.
And if you notice, it's kind of hard to see. It's too bright, but that's Chucky in there.
Oh.
This one I call Goldilocks.
It is Chucky.
So when it's dark, the switch is back here. So you see how close you are. You hit the switch, LED lights illuminate the doll head, and this is a mirrored bubble shield, so you don't see it until you hit the switch.
this is brilliant.
This is awesome.
I was a federal analyst, and I look at it as an analyst for the government. You either drink, which I didn't want to do, or you got creative. So I opted to get creative. I'll get you stamped there. I got a guest book right there if you'd like to sign it.
Yeah.
Oh man, this is fantastic.
We're going to end up in where?
Here's us, and then that's the flag. That's my bike.
Oh, wow.
And I don't know if you saw or not, on the west wall outside is my American flag. It's 169 Kansas license plates. And then, you guys want to bring your bikes up there? I got my 66 Shield. And if you want to just pose out there, I'd be happy to take your picture holding the Shield if you're obviously running 66.
Yeah, let me take that off.
Go get his picture.
See, look up here too.
Every tag up there has a story. It's amazing.
And as you probably predicted, we did get our bikes taken next to the American flag, made of license plates. This is a general theme you see on Route 66, but this is one of the more impressive spots that we've seen it on. Speaking of that, we had a great time here at Gearhead Curios. It was probably one of the best stops we experienced on Route 66. In fact, we enjoyed it so much, we spent so much time here that we actually ran out of time to really start looking around at the other attractions in Galena. But that's okay, because we'll just come back in the future. But anyway, this is a great site, a must stop on Route 66. Aaron, the owner, is an absolute joy to talk to. He has an enthusiasm for this filling station that he restored and resurrected, and he's got so many new plans for it. I can't wait to come back. In fact, we probably will come back in the future to see what he's done. So anyone stopping along this path coming through to Galena, Kansas, you have to stop here at Gearhead Curios. It's really well worth the stop. So for now, this concludes our stop at Gearhead Curios. As we start to travel further along Route 66, we plan to show more adventures in the future. We have some museums to show you, some different attractions that will be coming along, and I can't wait to show those to you. So stay tuned for our next exciting adventure here on Route 66, coming to you sometime in the near future. Until then, have a great day, and thanks for watching, everyone.